Number 1, find a safe place and jack it up. About an inch. Step 2, remove the lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Need some front end work. Brakes, we're probably going to want to turn the wheel, but here's the brake shoe. It's worn out. We got to get to it, and I'll show you how to do that with this star bit. There's one here and there's one down here. Those are the ones you want to get out. That's what I've been working on here. 2 of them. Okay, you may need a hammer. Get this caliper off, maybe. Anyway, give it a good tap. Knock all the brake dust out of it. Or you may need a screwdriver to pry it out, but you want to get this caliper out of here, like that. Worn out. Okay, there's a lot of brake fluid wasted in here and in here. So we need to push these back in and shove the fluid back up the line into the reservoir. So you take an old shoe. I like to use the metal side. And the C-clamp. And plus, this makes more room in here for the rotor and the new brake shoes. Old versus new. Next, if you get grease, you should always get the grease. Put it on the metal side of the shoe. I got 2 packs. And just get the metal side greasy. Stops squeaks and rust. Sort of. There you go. Get them both. After you get your shoes in here, and you put this back on and place the bolts in here and line these up first. These are what you want to go for first. Line these bolts up and making sure this tooth is right there by that brake shoe. Okay, let me do that. I can't do that in this at the same time. After you get these started in, both of these, take that star bit and wind them in nice and tight. A little past snug. Get them in there where they won't come back out. Get them both. Exact same thing on the other side, minus the tire. That's a good tire. All right, that's gonna be it. Pump the brakes a few times when you first crank it up, and then drive it up and down the driveway a couple times, and then hit the road, see what happens. Good luck, everybody. Stay safe out there.